If you have a pair of AirPods and you're having troubles with connectivity with the left or the right AirPod or just losing audio, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on Settings on your home screen. Then you want to tap on Bluetooth. Then locate the name of your AirPods, and on the right side, tap on the information button on the right. And then you will tap on Forget this device. Confirm it, forget device, and that's it. Now move on to the next step for resetting your AirPods. So what you want to do first is make sure you have your AirPods handy. Make sure they're in the case. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you locate the pairing button in the back. This little circle here, a little button there. What you want to do is you want to hold and press that button until you see a orange amber light, and then it changes back to white. So this will take about a total of like 15 seconds. See that? And then let go. And then your AirPods are completely reset. And that typically corrects a lot of issues with the left or right AirPod losing audio connection. And also if you see any issues where the left or the right AirPod tends to lose a charge faster from the other. Another great tip is for charging or battery issues, make sure that your contacts are clean at the bottom of your AirPods, as this is how it charges in the case. Always maintain that clean at all times, using like a simple maybe glasses lens cleaner cloth or something like that, maybe a Q-tip. Just be careful not to get the Q-tip inside the little space in there. You know, I'm not responsible if you damage something. Now if the problem persists, the second solution would be to reset your network settings on your device. So what you want to do is tap on Settings, tap on General, then you're going to scroll all the way down, tap Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. When you tap on Reset Network Settings, put in your passcode and then confirm. After that, that would reset your network settings as well as your Bluetooth connections, and hopefully that should correct your issue. Be advised that doing this will basically forget all your Wi-Fi networks, whether it's work or home Wi-Fi. So keep that in mind when you need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks. If you guys found this video helpful, please leave a like. If you guys want to see more videos like this as well, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.